Hey guys, it's Dee from SARA Designs, and my partner in crime just took the dog upstairs, but she'll be back down in a second. Sarah is her name. And today we are going to try to see what the difference is between Perfect Pearls, LAColors, this is eyeshadow you get from the Dollar Tree for $1, and PearlEx. So we are going to see if there's any difference between any of them. The closest colors we've found that would match each other was Perfect Gold for Perfect Pearls, Sunshine for LAColors, and PearlEx is Solar Gold is the color for PearlEx. I saw it somewhere on here. And that's what we're going to use. We figured that's the closest for each. They don't match 100%, but we're going to see what they do and how they match up. So I did write a little chart here. Perfect Pearls is Perfect Gold, LAColors is Sunshine, and PearlEx is Solar Gold. So we're going to do Perfect Pearls here, LAColors, and PearlEx, obviously. We're going to use this little stamp here. Now, Perfect Medium and Watermark Resist are pretty much the exact same thing. So you can use either or for this. We do have several brushes we're going to use. We're going to use different clean brushes for each to remove them so there's no funny business. I have a clean baby wipe. I just pulled it out of the package, as you hear, to clean off the stamp set so there's no funny bits. We can compare and see what's what. Maybe when Sarah comes down, we'll get her to be the judge. So, let's start, shall we? Let me try to open that up a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to ink up our stamp. Make sure you subscribe below and give us thumbs up. Sounds like doggy's coming back. I'm going to do this one at a time, just because we don't want it to... Hello, Sarah. Sarah's joining us. Oh, she's taking doggy out. Because I don't want it to dry up. I want it to be a fair... deal here. So that is PearlEx. I put a little bit more in. Or, I mean, I'm sorry, that's Perfect Pearls. That's not PearlEx. We'll let it sit. Clean it off. Not that we had to, but... Next, LAColors. So for LAColors, a lot of people try to take it off the top here. I'm going to try to pick out the bottom, because this top piece comes out, but you only get a little tiny bit out of here. So a little trick you can do is to pop out the bottom. And you can get it there. You're back. I thought you were taking a doggy out.
Well, he decided he wanted to go upstairs.
Oh. Alright. There's LAColors. Put the lid right back on there. Or the bottom. So it's on there good. Last but not least, let's wipe it off. Not that it matters, because we're putting the same product back on it, but and we'll stamp this one. This is going to be PearlEx. Again, a brand new brush. Alrighty. Now we are going to put all that away. Take a minute and we're going to clean off with brand new brushes. Do Perfect Pearls first. Wipe this stuff away. Next brush, brand new one for LAColors. Wipe it away. It's put a little bit much on there. And another brand new brush for PearlEx. Alright, let me get a paper towel and see if I can wipe some of that off. But Sarah, you could be the judge. Sarah, say hi.
Hi.
Sarah was taking the dog out, and then he didn't want to go out, and now he wanted to go upstairs.
I could hear you when I was in the bathroom upstairs.
You could hear us talking. Having a nice little conversation with the audience. Alrighty. So, I'm going to put a light on. Let's see what we think.
What am I judging on? Like what?
Well, we want to see what looks better. Do they kind of look the same? Does one look better than the other? Could you get away with each of them? Let me bring this up here to people real quick. I don't know that light's helping people, but does it help you?
Kind of.
All right. Tell us what you think as you're looking at each of them.
Okay, so these two, without like the reflectiveness, I guess we could say, look alike. This one has a lot less pigment than this one. This is more pigmented. The gold looks the same when it's reflected out of the light. This one, it's kind of more of a pinkish undertone as opposed to a yellow gold undertone. Other than that,
well, the colors kind of, because I mean it's hard to get the exact colors.
yeah,
You know what I mean? So I did the best I could as far as matching the colors. But for overall product, like for using it on a project, what do you think?
for using it on a project.
Do you think you get away with using any of them? Do you like one over the
Probably.
other?
I like these two better than I like this one. I think it's just the way that it was placed and put down because there's less.
I think the way it's stamped.
Yeah.
Should we try it again
Sure.
with that one? And see what you think. All right, hold on. All right. Oh. Whoops. Perfect Pearls. We use this. All right, and we use this brush.
Yeah, from here that looks better.
Oh, you know, because I'm wiping.
Yeah, I still like this one better.
You still like that one better?
Yeah, with PearlEx.
I probably shouldn't have wiped. All right, so PearlEx costs $14. No, get the package out if you don't mind.
Where is it?
In the very bottom drawer.
Enjoy.
PearlEx we got at Michael's on sale. It was as is. Originally $29.99. We got it for $14. Sorry about the reflection. Let me turn this light out. We got it for $14.99 because it's missing one. Like there's, well, obviously the gold, but it was missing. I think it's missing the white. So $14.99. So originally it's $29.99 for the PearlEx, and that's the one Sarah thinks is the best.
That was $1.
LAColors is $1. It still does the same thing. You'll still get the same effect. You just won't. It's not as pigmented, I feel.
Yeah. It is a slightly different color, but
well, the color's a little bit off, but we're not doing by color. Perfect Pearls works great. Also, I'm not sure. What do we pay?
I have no idea.
$19 for a set of 4, and it came with the perfect medium and the brushes. for Perfect Pearls. So it's up to you. I think they're pretty much compatible with each other. What do you think, Sari?
If you say so.
Do you think they're either or? They can do any of them with any of them, or what
I
do you
mean,
think?
it depends on what you want. Like, if you want to spend more money to get a better product, I would go for PearlEx.
Yeah.
If you don't want to spend a lot of money, but you want the same type of result, I would go for LAColors.
So Perfect Pearls, not so much.
No. It could be because you're wiping it, but
Could be. Should I do it again without wiping it? She wants to go to bed. She's like rolling her eyes.
whatever. Do whatever.
Real quick. We'll be real quick.
We'll leave it when I sit.
Can you guys see this? And of course not. When am I ever in frame? Alright, that's that one. Perfect Pearls. We're not wiping this time. I didn't do a great stamp.
You're gonna restamp it, right?
Uh-uh. We'll do the next one. It is what it is. Oopsies. Alright, we're just gonna go this way because
Wait, what? That's not it.
this is LAColors.
What? Okay, go ahead.
Sarah's exhausted.
No, I didn't know you were doing that.
The only good thing about, well, not the only good thing, one of the good things about this is it has a little brush in it. If you do it that way. Alrighty, and the last one will be PearlEx. Guys, it just took me like 2 hours to clean this craft room. Come down here and clean the craft room, and then Sari wants to go upstairs and go to bed. I was like, you know.
I think I'm entitled to a little sleep.
No. Actually, I do have to say the PearlEx goes on better. You can see it better. The LAColors, not so much. All right, I gotta wipe it away this way. Ink clear all over me. Is this the one I use? I don't even know. Alright, I'm not wiping now. Do you want the light on? Woo! Alright, as far as shine goes, can you guys see the shine? Let's do it this way. Hold on.
As far as shine goes, I think this one wins.
Yes, PearlEx wins hands down with the shine.
It wins overall.
PearlEx is the winner overall, you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. But if you do one, I mean, in a pinch, if you do one and you don't have the money, you definitely go for that.
Yeah.
I mean, it gives you the same effect, sort of, kind of. The gold's definitely much more vibrant. It is more pigmented. You're right. The Perfect Pearls works great too. I'm not dissing that at all. They all work great. They're all compatible, depending on the effect you want. I think the LAColors is a little bit lighter. Doesn't give you as bold of a.
It's kind of like if you want a gold hinted whatever stamp you're using, you can go for that.
Yeah. All right, guys, that's our comparison. They all kind of work. Make up your own mind. Decide what you want. Let me see if I can turn that off if you guys can see it any better. That kind of makes it worse. Bring it up to y'all. It's upside down now, so this one is PearlEx. This one is LA. This one here. And this one is Perfect Pearls. So, you guys can decide what you feel. Anyway, I just wanted to do a comparison because we purchased LAColors a while ago. We had PearlEx. We found at a bargain bin at Michael's. And the other day we were at Joanne.
Tuesdays.
Where?
Tuesday. No.
Joanne's.
Yeah.
Joanne's. And we found the PearlEx, and when I got home, I was like, or Perfect Pearls, and I was like, oh, wait a minute, we have LAColors and PearlEx. Oh, well, what's the difference? So that's why this came about. So, we hope you enjoyed our video. Subscribe below. Give us thumbs up. Give us a comment. Only if it's good, though, guys. Don't spread some bad stuff around, man. Life's too short for that. Don't be a hater. Anyway, till next time, we out. Sarah, say goodbye. Say bye, Sarah.
Bye, Sarah.
Bye, guys. See you next time.